Now in the next question we have Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? So here this is a cuboid of side 5 cm, length and height also 5 cm, and the thickness is 2 cm. Okay, so this is 2 cm. Now question is, how many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Now cube look like this, in which all the dimensions are equal and the volume of cube is side into side into side. And volume of cuboid is, here length, breadth and height is given. So volume of cuboid is 5 into 2 into 5. Now you must have seen that matchbox is in the shape of a cuboid. It looks like this. And when it is kept in the box, when this type of matchbox is kept in the box, then it will look like this, which in the shape of a cube. So here in these boxes, whatever matchboxes are there, all will be in the shape of a cuboid, and when it is kept in the boxes, then it looks like a cube. Okay, so you will have to find that how many such cuboids are required to form a cube. Okay. Now here we can see that 2 5 we have as a factor, and if you take one more 5, then it will make a triplet, and here 2 more 2 is required to form a triplet. So here we have 5 into 2 into 5. This we have already. Now if you take one more 5 with this, then you will get a triplet, which is 5 cube, right? And if you here we have 1 2, so if you take 2 more 2's here, then you will get a triplet here. 3 2's make a triplet, and it will become 2 cube. Then you will get a cube, right? Whatever numbers we have taken here as a factor, here we have this as a factor of a cuboid, and we have taken this extra to make a cube. So this is our number of cuboid. That means if you multiply this, 5 2's are 10, 10 2's are 20. So 20 such cuboid is required to form a cube. So we will write the required number of cuboid is 5 into 2 into 2, because these numbers we have taken extra, right? So if you multiply this, we'll get the number of cuboid, because after taking this, it forms a cube. So it will be 5 2's are 10, 10 2's are 20. Okay, so the required number of cuboid is 20. So this is all about question number 4. Thank you, students.